How did I get from this, this, to this? You may be asking like, how do you actually improve your skin? How do you actually improve your face? Okay, the first step is gonna be going to the gym. Why is it important if you're asking? Look, just look at this transformation. Guys, it has improved me a lot. And other thing you should be doing is eat healthier, drink your water, don't drink Coca-Cola, McDonald's. The second thing is your fat percentage. Why does it matter? Come on, bro, if you're fat, you're just gonna look like a fucking Discord mod. And if you're fucking too skinny, you're gonna look like a fucking crackhead. Okay, about getting rid of my acne. The thing that I did is, you might think it's Accutane, but no, I only use like salicylic acid to get rid of it. Pretty much used it for 6 months straight, and it pretty much cleared my skin. But after I cleared up my acne, I noticed something off about my face. Feel like it's lacking something. Maybe it's genetics. I was just a dumb kid trying out everything I could to get attractive. And then I started to think that I'm just ugly and I can't change that. So I tried starving myself. I was eating little to no calories. Why did I do all that? I tried getting jawline by starving. I starved max so much to the point that I would start looking like a skeleton. I was like a zero. Okay, talking about jawlines, the thing that actually improved the look on my face is mewing. This was me before I started mewing, and this is after a year of mewing. Okay, the third main thing that changed my face is my hair and my eyebrows. I made a mistake by nearly shaving my whole eyebrow. So don't do what I do if you want to look like you have cancer. And the fourth one is skincare. It's really simple. You may think that is like, oh, you're a guy, you don't need skincare, you're gonna be gay. Okay, all you need for the skincare is serum for the day and night. It's usually for me morning, it's moisturizer, vitamin C, and the most important is your sunscreen. And after you apply that in the morning, you'll be surprised at how much glow you have. Super useful. And for the night, all you need is moisturizer, whichever one you like, and apply retinol. Use castor oil for your eyelashes and maybe your eyebrows if you're lacking of eyebrows. Yeah, guys, don't be like me. So that's basically it. Apply skincare and apply sunscreen every morning, even night. Keep your skin protected because guys, the sun will kill your skin. Same goes for hair. Pick the hairstyle that suits you and make it look fuller using castor oil, derma roller, and minoxidil. It really helps. Bye bye. Yo Jordan. Yo Shiko. This is the first lesson from Hogwarts. I'm actually teaching Hogwarts.